So welcome back, guys. We've been asked to evaluate this guy right here. This problem looks a little complicated, but it is very easy. Um, so far as we have like two skills of dealing with integration, that is, we know our integration by parts and we know our U substitution. So what we're gonna do is we're going to try to use one of them. Integration by parts might not work here because here the upper diameter is being divided by the lower diameter. It's not multiplying, so we're not gonna even think about that. But what we might think about is U substitution, and we only do U substitution when we see that one of the terms here has its differential outside. That means if we do substitute for x and we do differentiate x, are we going to get the differential of x? Do we see the differential of x in the problem? No. But if we do substitute for natural log x and we differentiate, we can actually see that we have the differential of natural log x, which is 1 over x in the problem right here. So if you don't see it, you might use different methods and it's not going to work. But the moment you see it, you see that it's going to work. So if you don't see it, let me rewrite it again so you see it. So this problem right here can be rewritten as natural log x multiplied by natural log x, the whole thing being multiplied by 1 over x. Then you have your dx. Now do you see that if you do differentiate one of these, if you do differentiate this natural log x, you will get that. So we should tell you that your substitution will work here. So let's go ahead. So now we will let our u to be equal to natural log of x, du to be equal to 1 over x dx. That is, if you do differentiate natural log of x, this is what you get. So now let's go ahead and put u for natural log of x. One thing that you're gonna notice is because we made the right choice of u, this guy right here, that is this guy right here, is equal to that guy right here. So we can simply use our du right here to replace it. So let's do that. So we have, you put in natural log, then you put our u in place of natural log of x. Then we put another u again because we have natural log of x standing outside here. Then we will substitute as we did here, as we said over here. So we have our du. Now, this problem is a very easy problem. Now, we have two things here being multiplied. So the best thing which will come into your mind is integration by parts will work here. But remember, we've already used the letter u, so we can use the letter u again. So we use a letter like a, or maybe b or c. So I like using a. So I will get AV, AV minus that V dA. That will be my formula for integration by parts. So So I'm going to substitute. But remember, we do substitute a for the term that we can easily differentiate, and v for the letter that we can easily integrate. So in this case, I can easily differentiate this guy, and I can easily integrate that guy. So I will let my a to be equal to natural log of u. So my dA to be equal to 1 over u du. I will let my dv to be equal to v dA. Therefore, u dA. Sorry, my bad. Therefore, my v will be equal to u squared divided by 2. Then I'll multiply my a by my v and the side by that side. So I'm going to have natural log of u multiplied by u squared divided by 2 minus the integral. Here I have half over here, so I can take it in front. Then I have 1 over 2 here. I'm a 1 over u right here, so 1 over u being multiplied by u squared du. This guy will cancel that guy once. So we're gonna have natural log of u squared divided by 2 minus 1 over 2 u du. So in this case, we know how to integrate this guy right here. So we're going to have natural log of u multiplied by u squared divided by u minus 1 over 2 multiplied by u squared divided by 2 plus c. So now we just have to substitute for u because we were given a question in terms of x. So we're gonna use our substitute here for u because we know u is equal to natural log of x. So wherever we see u, we put natural log of x. Then we're done. So you come down here, you have natural log of u, therefore will be natural log of x. Multiplied by natural log of x all squared divided by 2 minus natural log of x squared divided by 4, that is 2 times 2 plus c. Now we have natural log of natural log squared divided by 2 on both sides, so we're going to take it out. So we will have natural log x all squared divided by 2 being multiplied by the natural log of x minus 1 over 2 plus c. So we took this guy out, so we were left with this guy right here. Then this one is we took this one out too, so we were left with only 2 here. So that is the final answer. So the trick in this question basically was you realizing that this question can be written as this. And the moment you see that if you do differentiate this guy, you get this guy, it should tell you that if you substitute for that guy, you will be on the right track. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave me a comment. I will see you in my next video. Thank you.